Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. You might have already seen the Phase 1 Paper 1 analysis which is done by Ashwini sir for Quant Reasoning and English. In this video, we'll be discussing Phase 1 Paper 2 analysis of SEBI legal exam, the exam which happened in the morning session today. 9 AM को एग्जाम था, 9 to 10 AM आपने पेपर 1 दिया होगा, 10 to 10:40 AM आपने पेपर 2 दिया होगा. We have been discussing with the students about the level of the exam, about the response of the course, and we have got various inputs. We are going to discuss all of that in this video. So first thing that I got from the students about paper 2 was the exam was very easy. The law paper was quite easy. One of the student even said, "Ma'am, legal to sabka hi nikal jayega." It was damn easy. Another student said legal was relatively much easier. So I have got a similar feedback. Even in our live analysis, we got similar feedback from the students that the legal paper was quite easy. And some of the students even said that many questions in the exam could easily be found in iExamB's mock test. Some questions in the legal section were easily found in iExamB's mock test. Many questions in legal were from the mocks. So these kind of feedbacks we have got related to the exam and related to our course. Now let's move to see what kind of questions actually came in the exam. There was question from section 91 of Transfer of Property Act, article 141 of Constitution, article 40 of Constitution, article 165 of Constitution, under which constitutional amendment GST was introduced. Samvidhan, there was section 13 of CPC, under which order of CPC is plain mentioned, section 89 of CPC, then limitation period for the recovery of money. From Indian Contract Act, proposal once accepted becomes what? Minor admitted for the benefits of the firm. English mortgage from Transfer of Property Act, section 80 of CPC, fundamental rights are present in which part of the Constitution? Limitation period for the recovery of title of immovable property. There was question from section 8 of Consumer Protection Act. Then from Arbitration Act, fast track procedure is mentioned under which section? Arbitral award is to be completed within how many months? Default definition under the Sale of Goods Act. Concept of unascertained goods under Sale of Goods Act. Article 239A, which union territory has state legislature by virtue of Article 239A. There was one question on precept. There was question on section 13 of CPC. Speedy arbitration is mentioned under which section? What is the time limit to give arbitral award? So you can see the questions were quite direct. There were few questions relating to section numbers and the rest were directly from the bare acts, which could easily be solved if you have read the topics mentioned in the syllabus. So now phase 1 is over and some of you must be confident that you will clear phase 1 and you will start your preparation for phase 2. Some of you may still be doubtful with respect to paper 1 or paper 2. I understand all these thoughts that are going on in your mind, but now nothing can be changed. What you can do is look forward for your phase 2 preparation. I am conducting a free workshop on Monday 29th of July at 7 PM where I'll be discussing, now that phase 1 is over, what strategy should be opted for phase 2, how to start preparation for phase 2, how to concentrate on your preparation and not spend time just waiting for the result. This is a very crucial time in your hand. Phase 2 has much higher competition and a much higher cutoff. So we'll be discussing all of that on 29th of July, Monday at 7 PM. If you want to join this workshop, you can register using the link present in the description below. If you have any queries, any suggestions, you can mention them in the comment below. If you remember certain more questions other than the ones which are shown on the screen, please do mention them in the comment below so that we can create a memory based paper for phase 1 for guidance and help to other students. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.